Story Time with Snuggly Apps. Today, I have a super fun book that I'm going to read for you. The name of the book is Buckle Up, written by Stephanie Scott. It's a children's imaginary journey about self-control. Are you ready? So let's get started. Buckle up. Hi, I'm Nini. Yes, I'm a bird. I'm going to be flying right beside you to guide you through a little road trip as you take up the driver's seat. You might be thinking, me, drive? But I'm only a child. We will be driving only with our imaginations, of course. We're going to use our imagination as we buckle up and pretend to go on a road trip to a beautiful destination. Now remember, stay calm and be alert at all times. Life may throw some curveballs, but together we can conquer anything. Are you ready? Breathe in calmness and breathe out any fears or worries you may have. I'm right here to help. Let's use our checklist to make sure we have everything ready to go. All right, take a spot in the driver's seat and buckle up. Sometimes life has some bumpy roads, and at other times, life has a nice route with a lot of pretty scenery. Let's navigate through these roads together, keeping in mind that you always have control of the steering wheel. It's time to back out of the driveway. Make sure you take a deep breath and be aware of your surroundings before you back up. Being prepared is always important. Use your mirrors. Be sure to use the signal lights to communicate your plan to others. Now, let's get on the road. Easy does it. You're doing just fine. It looks like there's some speed bumps ahead. You may feel nervous or a little frustrated with the bumps on the road, but you can handle them. Just make sure you proceed with caution. Remind yourself, we will get there when we get there, but safety comes first. Brace yourself as we make our way slowly over the bumps. Remember, if you're feeling a little uneasy or scared, you can always pull over to the side of the road and take a break. Eek! It's starting to rain! Make sure you put your wipers on to wipe away the water so that your view is clear. Prepare yourself. Remember, after a rainy day, a rainbow must come out to play. There we go. The rain has stopped. Take a deep breath and let's keep going. Maybe we will find that rainbow. There's a little bit of fog appearing. Make sure you turn on some fog lights so you can see more clearly. Great job. We made it through. Look ahead. Here comes a bit of a winding road. Make sure both hands are on the steering wheel and your eyes are focused. Take 3 deep breaths to relax your hands and feet. Make sure your hands are gripping the steering wheel comfortably. Great focus! Finally, a nice smooth road. Take in this moment. Be aware of your surroundings and be proud of yourself for getting this far. Yellow zone. Uh-oh, stop! There's a duck crossing the road ahead. Sometimes waiting can be a bit annoying. Use this time to think green thoughts as we wait our turn. Green thoughts are helpful and positive thoughts that help us make good choices, such as, I am patient, I can wait. Thank you for waiting. And now we are back on our way. In the distance, I see a beautiful park with a nice pond and a play area. Would you like to go? Great. Let's keep going. Don't forget to check your rear view mirror and be mindful of the signs along the side of the road. Park next exit. There seems to be a bit of traffic along the street. Make sure you give some personal space in between you and other vehicles. Sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming with all of these vehicles around you, and there may even be some honking that you hear, but remember, it is only temporary and you will get through it. Stay calm. The traffic seems to be easing up. Stay focused on your destination. Together, we will get there soon and safely. Personal space on. What's that noise, You're right. I think it's a train. There's a train crossing ahead. Let's make sure that we stop and give some distance between the car and the train so that everyone is safe. It's just like giving some personal space between your car and other cars, or between yourself and other people. You may cover your ears if it's too loud for you. Looks like there is a little detour coming up. There are a few options we can follow. Let's stop, think, and choose what we want to do so that we can make a decision. First stop, calm down and take a slow, deep breath. What are you feeling? Let's think about our options and if there are any consequences to them. Now, let's choose the most positive and helpful option. Way to go! The green path it is! Okay, we're getting closer. There's a bridge for us to go over to get to the other side. We see green grass and a river flowing very calmly. We roll down our windows all the way and feel a nice breeze with the warmth of the sun shining on our arms and face. We smell some yummy food that people are barbecuing nearby. Yum! What other scents do you smell? Slow down. We approach the bridge. There's a stoplight on the other side. It's turning yellow, so let's approach slowly. Now the light turned red, so we need to stop and be patient. Good job! After we count to 20 slowly, the light will turn green. When it does, let's go! Home stretch! We're just about there. As we're pulling into the parking lot, we notice some colors in the sky. It's a rainbow! In fact, it's a double rainbow for extra luck. It reminds us that there's always light at the end of the tunnel. We made it! You did it with great determination. It's time to unbuckle your seatbelt. Let any red, unhelpful feelings go. Stretch it out and breathe in the fun that is waiting for you. Repeat to yourself, I am in control. I can navigate through anything. Arrive to destination. Have a terrific time. Tweet, tweet. Oh, by the way, here's a delicious popsicle for you before you go out to play. It's quite refreshing after a long road trip. I must say, high five for getting here safely. Have a terrific time. The end. Wasn't that such an incredible story? I hope you guys enjoyed it. Grab your copy on the link below and do share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram under Snuggly Apps. All links can be found in the video description below. See you later, my friends, with another story time real soon.